Record?
Hold on.
Get it on record right now.
It's on.
Alright, boss, go ahead, love. Let's go. Yeah, I'll catch you. You want me to wet this first?
Yeah. No.
This? No? Alright, come on.
Now you have to go a little bit closer.
Alright, come on, I'll catch you.
Don't even go in the water.
Alright, let go. Let go. Take your wee arms off, you'll hurt yourself. Yeah, let go. Just let go. Just let go. You're going to hurt yourself if you don't let go. Is it too hot?
Yes.
Okay, come on quick. Whoa. There you go. You want to go into the water? You want to do it again?
No.
That was Jocelyn's big slide down for the day. Hey, Brian.
Jocelyn, wave to the camera. Wave.
Oh, is that right?
You wave?
For his birthday.
Yeah.
Great. You want to give
Wave to Nanny.
Okay. Andrew.
There's Andrew. Like that, you wee bastard. Here.
Whoa. My own driver.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You want to look what's on the back?
Bag is
What's this? Who's getting presents here?
Me.
What's this for?
It's for his birthday.
Oh, lucky duck.
Let's see. Let's see. Oh, that's great. I need a new putter. Want me to open it for you?
Oops, we forgot about
Putter asked me in the car.
Jocelyn in the pool here.
Have you?
Yeah.
Justin's in the pool.
Say wave bye-bye, Jocelyn.
Shoot left, does it?
Wave bye.
He's in the water.
Here.